third family of organic compound is aldehydes, and the functional group is CHO. So CHO is the functional group of aldehydes, and it can be written as CHO together or C double bond OH. So in these two ways we can write the functional group of aldehydes. Let's see one example. I am going to write a carbon compound containing 2 carbon atoms. So this is a carbon compound with 2 carbon atoms, and one of the hydrogen atoms are replaced by the functional group CHO. One of the hydrogen atoms of this carbon compound is replaced by CHO, we will get an aldehyde. So if CHO is a functional group, it is clear that it is an aldehyde. Then how it is named? In this case, we have to count the number of carbon atoms. Here there are 3 carbon atoms together. So we have to include the carbon atom of the functional group also. Then the number of carbon atoms here is 3. So find the parent alkene. It is propane. So the parent alkene here is propane, and E of the parent alkene is replaced by Al. So that Al comes from aldehyde. Aldehydes are named as, first of all, find out the parent alkene, then E of the parent alkene is replaced by Al. So this is how aldehydes are named. So this compound can be written in the form of a condensed structure like CH3, CH2, CHO. So CH3, CH2, CHO. So this is the condensed form. By seeing this condensed form also, we can write the IUPAC name as propanol by counting the number of carbon atoms. Here the number of carbon atoms are 3. So the parent alkene is propane, and E of the parent alkene is replaced by Al. We will get the IUPAC name of aldehyde. Now we can write another example. Second example, a carbon compound containing 3 carbon atoms. So I am going to write a carbon compound containing 3 carbon atoms, and if one of the hydrogen atoms is replaced by a CHO group, so CHO can be written in this way also. So CHO is here. So this CHO indicates that this is an aldehyde. For naming this, first of all, we have to count the number of atoms, including the carbon of the functional group. Now there are 4 carbon atoms. So the parent alkene is butane. The parent alkene is butane, and E of the parent alkene is replaced by Al. We will get the IUPAC name as butanol. Now we can write the condensed form also. It is CH3, CH2, CH2, then CHO. CHO can be written as CHO together or C double bond OH. So this is the name of this compound, that is butanol. Since there are 4 carbon atoms, it is named as butanol. Now let's see another example. So this is a carbon compound with 1 carbon atom. This is the simplest hydrocarbon, methane. If hydrogen atom is replaced by a CHO group, C double bond OH. So CHO is a functional group. So E compound is CHO on a functional group. Functional group CHO anangil, it is an aldehyde. CHO functional group anangil, that compound is an aldehyde. Name change the IUPAC name കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത് number of carbon atoms count ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ 2 carbon atoms ആണുള്ളത്. Number of carbon atoms count ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഫങ്ഷണൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലെ കാർബണും കൂടെ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യണം. സോ ഹിയർ ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് കാർബൺ ആറ്റംസ് ആർ 2. 2 ആണ് കാർബൺ ആറ്റത്തിന്റെ എണ്ണം. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ദ പേരന്റ് ആൽക്കെയിൻ ഈസ് ഈതെയ്ൻ. പേരന്റ് ആൽക്കെയിൻ ഈതെയ്ൻ ആണ്. Then E of the parent alkane is replaced by Al. E parent alkane E replace ചെയ്ത് അവിടെ Al എന്ന് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we will get the IUPAC name of aldehyde. This aldehyde is ethanol. So ഇതിനെ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടൻസ്ഡ് രൂപത്തിൽ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. So it is CH3CHO. CH3CHO ഇങ്ങനെയും എഴുതാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ CH3CHO together. CHO ഒരുമിച്ച് എഴുതിയാലും CHO, that is a functional group of aldehyde. CHO ഇങ്ങനെയും എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. CHO ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരുമിച്ച് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. C ഡബിൾ ബോണ്ട് OH എല്ലാ ബോണ്ട്സും കാണിച്ച് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. CHO ഇങ്ങനെ കണ്ടാലും CHO C ഡബിൾ ബോണ്ട് OH എന്നുള്ള കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സ്ട്രക്ചറിൽ കണ്ടാലും it is an aldehyde. So this is how aldehydes are named.